Good evening to all of you, and today we will discuss the Verbinaceae family. And this Verbinaceae family is the best example of this Verbinaceae is the Curie, which we are calling the Lantana camera, and this Lantana camera forming the family which we are calling the Verbena family. So this Verbena family, before going to this family, we have to discuss some features which are recognized with this family. So this family is there are certain terms which we are going to discuss before going to this family. So this family is, as per the Bentham and Hooker, Dicotyledons, Gamopetalae, Bicarpellate, as well as the Lemmiales. So this is a sessile one. Sessile means the without the pedicel. The bracteate, flower having the bracts. This is called the bracteate, and bracteolate, flower having the bracteoles. The valvate means the meeting at the edge. So valvate distribution is there. Quinquennial is all distribution has also been recognized with this family. Arrangement of 5 sepal, 2 are exterior, 2 are interior, and the 5th one is half exterior, heart interior. Polyandrous condition is there. Stamen are free condition has been recognized. This is called the polyandrous. Didymous means the androecium are 4 stamens are there. Into the 2 pairs shorter, 2 pairs are shorter than the other one. So 2 are shorter and 2 are larger. The ditychus condition has also been recognized. 2-celled anthers has been there. Introse condition of anther has been recognized. The anther facing inward. The axile presentation is there. The axile margin of the carpel folding inward, fusing together in the center of the ovary to form a single central placentation. Ovary is divided to as many as loculi as well as the carpel. So the point is that the margins of the carpels are folding inwards, fusing together at the center of the ovary to form a single central placenta. And this ovary in this case is divided into the as many as carpels are there or as many as locules are there. In this case, the umbellate chyme inflorescence has been recognized in this case. The umbel is the inflorescence which is a characteristics of umbelliferae, which is now known as the Apiaceae family. So arrangement of flower arising from a common center and forming a rounded cluster. The cymose means sympodially branched. So in this case, the fruit type is a drupe. Drupe is a fleshy, one-chambered and one or more seeded fruit which develop from a monocarpellary or syncarpellary pistil with a pericarp, epicarp plus mesocarp plus endocarp. So in this case, these are the some terms which before going into the family which we are calling the Verbinaceae family, we have to talk about that. This family is recognized with the 77 genera and 3015 species. And they are mostly distributed in tropical as well as the subtropical regions. In India, the family is represented by 21 genera and 125 species. The best example may be the Tectona grandis, which is called the teak, Verbena, which is called the Verbena, Lantana species, and glory flower, Chlorodendron also belong to this family. So this family is, as we just talked about, there are very less economically important family if I'm just talking about for the welfare of the human being. But point of interest is that this is a Dicotyledons, Gamopetalae, Bicarpellate, Lemmiales as well as the Verbinaceae family. But before talking about the individual characters of this family, we are just talking about the identification features or identification marks of this Verbinaceae family. This family is in this case the tree shrubs are there. The stem is quadrangular with the spines. So because it belongs to the Lemmiales. So these are the characteristics. Quadrangular stem with the spines is there. The inflorescence is a racemose or chymose. Corolla is 4x1 has been recognized. The gynoecium is bicarpellary but become tetralocular due to the formation of false septum. The fruit is a drupe type, and also in this case the placentation is the axile one. So as we just introduce this family, we talk about the certain characteristics feature of this family. This family is they are mostly annual as well as the perennial herbs, sometimes shrubs like the Lantana and Doranta, or sometime they are having the tree, Tectona like Tectona, woody climber, Petrea has also been there. Avicennia has also been there, which is a mangrove shrub. The stem is quadrangular and increase in thickness by the formation of concentric ring of cambium. The leaves are usually opposite or hold exstipulate, simple or layerly pinnately, like in Peronema, or palmately in Vitex. Vitex also belongs to this family, Verbinaceae. The inflorescence is, again, I'm repeating the certain characteristics as per the rule. So inflorescence may be the cymose, racemose, or spicate may be there. The chymes are often compound chymes is there, or panicle in Tectona. The bracts and bracteoles are often present into the bracts, as we just talked into the certain terms which are associated with this family. Their involucre is also been recognized into the Lantana. The flowers are bisexual or sometime polygamous, or it may be less numbers may be there, zygomorphic. Usually pentamerous and hypogonous condition is there. The calyx is gamosepalous, persistent, and usually 5-toothed or lobed. Corolla is gamopetalous, tubular, and tube, often cylindrical. Limb bilobed, Duranta, as well as the Verbena, or unequally 5-lobed. The lobes are imbricate in buds. The stamen are 4. Didymous condition has been recognized, and epipetalous on the corolla tube. The 5th posterior stamen is either represented by the stamenoid condition, or it is completely suppressed. So rarely all the 5 stamens are present as perfect. You can say that, like the Tectona. Sometime in it may be only the 2 anterior lateral stamen are fertile, and remaining 3 are reduced to stamenoid condition. The anthers are dithecous, intruse, and opening lengthwise. The anthers loculi are often divergent. The gynoecium is bicarpellary and syncarpous, but rarely carpels, and more than 2, 3 to 5 in like in Junecia, or 4 in Duranta. The ovary is superior with many locules, as in numbers of carpels, or sometimes twice as many as a formation of the falsepta in the Premna. So this family is a very interesting one. This is a Chlorodendron indicum, and this is a Vitex nigonda, which is commonly called a Sivai, and this is a floral diagram of Verbena. This is a floral diagram of Lantana and Duranta. Bracteolate, zygomorphic, hermaphrodite, K5, C 4/1 or 2/3, A 2+2, G4 and G2 superior is there, and epipetalous condition has been recognized. The placentation is exile in this case. The another interesting feature is that there are 1 or 2 anatropous ovule on the each placentation. The style is terminal, but sometimes sunk between the lobes of the ovary. The stigma has the many lobes as the number of the carpel. The fruit is drupe or one-seeded. Pyrenes is also been recognized in this case. Usually the drupe is there. Usually supported more or less enlarged calyx. The seeds are straight embryos there into the non-endospermic seeds are there. Scanty endosperms. Pollination takes place by bee and butterflies. The seeds are in this case you can find it that they are dispersed by birds as well as the animals. Some species of Chlorodendron are Mimerocophilus. So this family is certain economically important families also been recognized, or some economic utility of this family has also been recognized by the human being. For example, the Tectona grandis is one of the most important hardwood in the world, and this is used in building, bridge, heavy construction, furniture, railway, musical instrument, and cabinet work. The Premna bengalensis is used as a wood for bridges and posts, and suitable for carving. The wood of Vitex altissima is used for construction work, agriculture, implementation, and boats. The Gmelina arborea, Gumhar, is one of the most reliable timber in India and used for furniture, musical instruments, shaft, bridge, and ship. And also there are certain what we can say the ornamental utility of this family has also been recognized, like the Verbena hybrida, Bipinnatifida, and Bonariensis. The Lantana camera, Halscodia, Duranta repens has also been used as a dewdrop. This is called the golden dewdrop. The Petria volubilis, Chlorodendron, and also the Coleopteris. These are the best example which we human being are using as a ornamental one. So this family is providing the timber as well as the economically important also there. So as the systematic position, this family is has been as placed by Bentham and Hooker as placed as a Verbenacea family. From it has been raised from the rank of the family from Avinesia, and some botanists of Ekeler and Arishaw. However, Hutchinson, Contrast, Takhtajan, and many others still remain with the Verbenacea. The Hutchinson, who earlier included in this family Lamiales, later removed to the Verbenales, and Contrast included in the family Lamiales and Takhtajan into the Scrofloriales. The Verbenacea are generally considered to be the most nearly allied family of Lamiaceae, but Hutchinson considered it unrelated to the Lamiaceae and derived from the Rubiaceous stock. So the trees are shrub, stem is quadrangular with a spine. Inflorescence is racemose or chimeos or umbellate chyme is there. The gynoecium is bicarpellary, tetralocular due to the formation of false septum. The fruit is drupe, and also this family, which having these characteristics, are called the very important family, which we are calling the Verbenacea family. Verbenacea family, Verbena family. The best example may be the Lantana. Thank you very much.